back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another data entry work from home job lead for you. Huge hotel chain Marriott is hiring a data entry clerk for their national group sales. This is remote within the United States only. Of course, the links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, most of this job is going to be data entry, but it will require a tiny bit of phone work, and it does look like most of it is just gathering information, missing information you need from documents. So the purpose of this job is to enter and locate work-related information using computers or their point of sales system. You'll transmit the information on the documents using a computer. Of course, you'll read and visually verify the information in a variety of formats. This could be small print, so make sure them eyes are good. You'll enter and retrieve information contained in computer databases to update records, files, and reservations, and answer inquiries from guests. That's where that little bit of a phone work comes in. You'll verify the information in the documents or on the computer screens and make sure it has accuracy and completeness. Now, they are looking for somebody who will follow all company policies and procedures. Someone who can speak clearly when talking to people, use professional language, and prepare and review written documents accurately and completely. You need to be able to answer telephones with appropriate etiquette when you are on the phone. You'll develop and maintain positive working relationships with your other coworkers as well. And that is really all they list for requirements. It doesn't look like any college degree is needed. Now, of course, certain states require that their pay be listed in job descriptions. This is remote for the United States as far as I can tell. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but this job pays anywhere from $18 an hour all the way up to $23.80 an hour. Of course, they do also offer a standard benefit package that includes dental, vision, health insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those and try to keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.